going to put out a bench warrant for your arrest.
You practice in front of bench. That's my job or my attorney job. I'm sui juris. I'm pro pria.
Okay, Mr. White, I don't know where you read the stuff that you're saying, but it's legal nonsense.
I'm a beneficiary and I'm a sovereign. I'm here under fraud, menace, and
sir.
I'll travel. I don't drive.
Okay.
I have no contact.
Sir, here's what we're doing, Mr. White.
All right, here we have a Sovcit trying his luck with a no-nonsense judge. Love this judge. This guy he's amazing. Guys, if you want to see a Sovcit get put down, this is the video for you. Have a look at it. Tell them what you think of it. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Telephone ending in 1336. Tell us your name, please.
I come in sui juris.
Only one of you actually has that phone number, and the other people are just wrong about what their phone number is. Who's calling ending in 1336?
Sui juris and personal persona. I'm Stephen Tyrell White, beneficiary of sovereign. I'm here under fraud, menace, and duress. Fiduciary Daniel.
Why? Why would they? When has that ever worked for them? Why would you do such a stupid thing? I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay, Mr. White, we're going to pop you over in the waiting room because you're just going to be a distraction for all the citizens here willing to abide by the laws of our country. So we'll pop you over in the waiting room and we'll get back to you. In case you guys have ever heard of the term sovereign citizen in the news, that's what one of them sounds like when they try to come to court.
All right, so the judge kicked the guy out of the court and got him back later on in the day when he was done with all the other cases. Now, this guy should have learned his lesson when the judge said, look, I'll get to you later on. I'm not going to chat to you now. Is he going to take the hint? I don't know. Let's check it out.
Wait, are you able to hear me?
Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to read this to you so you understand what you're charged with. This says that on January 7th of this year on 2nd Street there in the city of Fenville, that you were driving while license suspended. That is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fines and costs. Do you understand your charge?
Objection, Your Honor. I do not. I do not understand my charges or
okay. I'm going to mark you down as not guilty, and we'll set you for a jury trial. You can continue to.
Your Honor, Your Honor, you practice in front of bench. You practice in front of bench. That's my job or my attorney job. I'm sui juris.
When has this ever worked for these guys? When has it ever worked for these guys? But they keep on saying it.
I'm pro pria.
Okay, Mr. White, I don't know where you read the stuff that you're saying, but it's legal nonsense. It means nothing in a court of law. So if you're not willing to state that you even understand or recognize the authority of the court, my options are I can make you come in for arraignment and not give you a PR bond, and then you'll have to post bond to not sit in jail. You want to do it that way instead? Right now, if I get through arraignment with you, I'll give you a PR bond. Mr. White?
I don't listen. I'm asking you a question.
What's the question, sir?
I'm not arguing with you, Your Honor. I just want you to hear me.
Yeah, but you're not respecting the judge either. Not a good thing to do, man. He can put you in jail. That oak sitting there can put you in jail. I would shut up and listen to what he has to say, and then comment when I get the chance for it. But that's just me.
You to hear me.
Okay, but I don't want to listen for 20 minutes. Go ahead and ask your one question, and we'll start there and see if it's a real question.
Am I on the record?
Yes.
It's not going to take 20 minutes, Your Honor. I'll give you my word.
Well, you said you have a question, sir. What's the question you want to ask?
Is this criminal or is it civil?
This is criminal, sir. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fines and costs.
Hey, if it's criminal, can I ask to dismiss the charge?
So our Sovcit, he's not agreeing with the judge. He's going to just dismiss this case. What? Love these guys. Love them.
At this point, the prosecutor, There's no sworn testimony. There's no sworn.
It's because this is just arraignment, sir.
Oh no, arraignment. Yeah, well, okay.
What you're talking about is trial. That would be several steps down the road.
Ah, okay, got that. Hope he gets it.
Arraignment is just for you to make sure that you understand what you're accused of, what the penalty is, and for you to enter a plea. You're accused of driving while license suspended. I read to you what the possible penalties are, and I asked you if you wish to plead guilty or not guilty at this time.
No, Your Honor, I'm a beneficiary and I'm a sovereign. I'm here under fraud, menace,
Okay, sir. Those sentences don't mean anything. They have no legal meaning whatsoever.
Not what the YouTube Sovcit lawyer told him. I'm just saying.
It's guaranteed by
so
my
I've
constitutional
indicated that since you can't understand arraignment, I've entered a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I've set you for a jury trial. You can represent yourself free of charge, or you could hire an attorney. And now you must make a choice, sir, for bond. Personal recognizance bond. That means you don't have to post any money. We're essentially trusting you that you'll keep coming back for your court dates. It is no driving without a valid driver's license. If you cannot get that far, in other words, if you really don't understand what's happening here, then I'm not going to allow you to be arraigned by Zoom. I'm going to set you for arraignment in person. And you will come to this courthouse. You will not get a PR bond. You will get a $300 cash or surety bond, meaning that you will need to post $300 in cash, or you will sit in jail from that day until your trial date. So I'll give you a choice. Do you want to be arraigned over Zoom like we're doing today, or would you like to come in and be arraigned in person?
Simple, right? Two choices. Not that difficult, even though I understand it.
Well, I object to all this, Your Honor, because at this point I don't even understand the charges. I do not understand the charges. I'm not trying to.
That's fine. No, sir, you're allowed to. Sir, you're allowed to object, and I understand your sentence that you don't understand the charges. And so I will attempt to work with you for that for a second. I'm going to read the charges to you, okay? This says that it takes place on January 7th of this year. You understand that, right? The date that I just read.
I'm saying I do not. At this point, Your Honor, I was saying this. It was a jurisdiction matter. It's a jurisdiction matter. That's what I'm saying. It's a subject matter, jurisdiction.
Here's the problem with you arguing jurisdiction. I am a lawyer, so I understand what jurisdiction means. I'm not sure you do.
Oh, Sovcit is not going to come right with this judge, I think. Not today, anyway. Not today.
The accusation is that you're driving around on 2nd Street in the city of Fenville, meaning in Allegan County, and that you're doing so when your driving privileges with Secretary of State have been suspended or revoked. Because this is the county. Yes?
Objection. I'll travel. I don't drive.
Okay.
I have no contact.
Sir, here's what we're doing, Mr. White. You are no longer able to be arraigned by Zoom. What I'm going to do is adjourn this. I'm going to adjourn this, and you will get notice at your address there. You will come in, and we will arraign you in person. I'm telling you that I'm not going to give you a personal recognizance bond, sir.
It has to be before we can proceed.
White,
before you can proceed, it has to be addressed, Your Honor.
Because we are on the record, I'm going to make this infinitely clear. You're going to get notice to appear in front of me. You have two choices. If you do not appear, I'm going to put out a bench warrant for your arrest. If you do appear, we will have this conversation again about arraigning you to see if you understand the charges, but you are not getting a PR bond. You will need to bring with you $300 cash or surety, or you will be in jail. Do you understand those two options, A and B?
That's a violation of my constitutional rights, Your Honor.
Well, no, it isn't, sir. So we're all set for today. We're done talking. We cannot make any progress. You will be asked to come in person for arraignment. You can either choose to come in for arraignment, or you can choose to not be here. If you choose to not be here, a warrant will be entered for your arrest. And if you do choose to be here, make sure you bring that $300 because you're not getting a personal recognizance bond.
Even I understand that.
But we are done with this hearing. I'm going to go ahead and release you. Thank you.
All right, guys. So that's where this thing ends. Love this judge. He did not take this guy's, didn't take his nonsense at all. I don't know. These Sovcits, they like a battle of monkeys, man. They're always fun to watch. Doesn't matter what they do. Their logic is like down the drain. They've got no logic, and we get to laugh at them. So that's a good thing. Time I'm making this video, it's Monday morning. Always good to laugh on a Monday morning. Good start to the week. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments down below. It does help us a lot. I'll see you in the next one.